Yeah, very nice. So, can you explain the code, or can you explain how you went about doing this?
Sir, actually, my mom suggested this song to me.
Hmm.
So I had nothing to do, like I didn't have any ideas. So
Hmm.
my mom suggested to do this song.
Hmm.
So I searched for this piano notes,
Hmm.
and then I did this, sir.
Okay. Do you have
I
that
even
piano
tried
notes?
using this, sir.
Do you have that piano notes? Can you show it to us?
Yes, sir. Actually, I saw a video and I did it. Yes,
No
sir. I'll
problem.
just
Just
share
share
it.
it because other students also would like to learn.
Yes, sir.
So,
So can you see my screen, sir?
yeah, yeah.
Yes, a second, please. So this is the one that I
Okay.
used.
1 second. Yeah, just hold on. So, but where are the this one piano notes?
So here,
Oh,
um,
okay, okay.
below this,
Okay, okay, got it. Yeah, hold
I
on.
did.
Let's see if everybody is understanding it. So, let me just ask. Yeah, Ananya Ganesh.
Yes,
You,
Kiran uncle.
so you are comfortable with Sonic Pi, right?
Yeah, but I don't really do it that much.
Okay, okay. But do you understand how she has done it?
Yeah, I tried a few things, but then the octave and all of it didn't work out for me. So I was like trying again and again.
Okay, okay, no problem. Do you have any questions to Chetna?
No. But did you use that like translation table kind of thing to translate these kind of notes to the numbers in Sonic Pi?
No, actually, you can use notes itself.
For
What?
example,
Like,
now you have put play colon F. Where is F here?
F is here, sir.
Okay, okay. But why
F
you are
sharp.
starting with play F? Is it the start? No, go to the beginning of the video.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir. So play F, then F sharp, G sharp, G
Okay, okay,
sharp.
got it. Yeah, this is very
Yes.
straightforward, right, Ananya?
yeah, so can you also write it just as F and F sharp and all in
She has
Sonic Pi?
written, no? She
Or
has.
do you
Let me
need
just share the code.
to?
Or
Okay.
you can only share the code. Anyway, you are not playing. Just share the Sonic Pi code and show.
Oh, yes, sir. I'll share it again.
Yeah, Ananya, to answer your question, yes, it's very, very straightforward. You need not to do any translation.
Oh, I didn't know that. So I was using this thing, kind of table kind of thing to translate it to the numbers, and then I was using that.
Yeah, yeah. Here, instead of that hash, you are just using the letter S. FS.
Yeah, if it is a
Oh, okay.
sharp, you'll use S. If it is flat, you'll use
Mhm.
B.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Now I'll also do this.
Yeah, now let's see if anybody else has a question. Ananya Zalaki. Hi, good morning. Can you unmute yourself? Or who else is there? Dr. Savita Deshmukh. Is it Savita ma'am or is it Jishnu Deshpande? Nitish, are you able to you are able to follow, right? Nitish Johar?
Yes, Uncle.
Okay. Did you do any more songs after that? You first did which one? National Anthem, right?
Sir, I want to show you something. Can I share my screen, sir?
Who is this?
One website. Dhruva Agast.
Is it on Sonic Pi?
No, sir.
Yeah, let's first finish Sonic Pi and then we will come to the other things.
Okay.
So, okay. Shri, it's very easy, right, for you? You have done a lot of interesting Sonic Pi songs.
Sir, I have done it crack, but still I have a doubt that she wrote no use synth. So what is meaning of that use synth peoples?
Can you explain, Chetna? Share your
Sir?
screen again. Yeah.
Yes.
Chetna will explain.
What is,
Yeah, Chetna will explain. Wait.
sir, what is,
Okay, the synth means by default it is like a beep sound.
Can you share your screen again?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Okay, by default it is a beep sound here. So if you give beep, it will come like that sound. That sound will be adapted for the whole song.
Yeah, wait. Let me play that by giving beep. Hold on. I will play the same song. Now, don't worry, you are not seeing my code as long as it is the same code which will run now. Look at this. So, this is beep. Now, I will change it to beep pulse. Beep pulse or D pulse? D pulse. Yeah, now I have changed it to D pulse and now see the difference. Yeah, understood, Sri?
okay, sir, so the voice is low and high, that only, right?
No, it is not the law. It is even the instrument is changing. For example, you can change it to piano and see what happens. Now I have changed it to piano and look at the
Battery 100%.
sound. Then I will make it too different. I will make it to blade. Now look at this. What happens? So basically, you are changing the instrument itself. Let me see.
Kiran, is there some guitar or instrument, drums or something like that?
Let me see if I have drums. But I don't find. Maybe I have to figure out. But let me just do some. I want to show totally different. For
Different
example,
instrument, yeah.
this is noise. Let me
Battery
see.
100%.
You got the difference? Let me just play something with very funky drums also. But that might not be very straightforward. Hold on. Yeah, let me share my screen so that you know what's happening. Yeah, now I will show you how to play around with some complicated music.
Battery 100%.
So like this, you can play entire orchestra. Sri, this is interesting, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me show what all thing they are using. What? Yeah, anyway, I saw some use in. They are using something called P noise. Okay, let me see what this P noise will do. Then bass drum, define bass drum, not one. Anyway, you have to get into some more details to get into the some sign they are using. Yeah, I had shared some documentation earlier. If you want, I can share it again. So it will help you to get into that. Let's see how this sign looks like. Let me play the same song with this sign.
Battery 100%.
Yeah, anyway, you can. I will leave it to you. You need to explore and figure out which one you like it and why do you like it. So as I said, I can share all the interesting, these funky chords as well, where you can learn to play full-fledged orchestra. So anybody else has any doubts on music? Dhruva, did you try Sonic Pi?
No, sir, I'll try today.
Okay, you can try with this simple code. Let me just show you some simple code. For example, you don't need to code everything. All you need to do is, let me see if I have Twinkle Twinkle Easy code. Let me see what this is. Yeah, this is Twinkle Twinkle Easy code. You don't need to do so many pieces. Let me just remove all of them. Okay, all you need, you can just as soon as you play, let's say, just one note like this.
Battery 100%.
Play C4. Now look at it. Now I will add one more. If I don't put sleep, what happens? Let me have this in a sticky note.
You can't see your screen.
Yeah, one second. Let me share it again. Yeah, you're able to see my screen, right? It's empty now, Sonic Pi.
Yes, sir.
Now I will start with one note called the note C. Okay, I will just say that this is the fourth octave or the fourth. Yeah, this is the fourth octave. Now that's all is enough. Now let me play this. Now I will play one more C4. Still it looks only one. I will introduce a gap in between so that it won't do it in one go. Sleep 0.5. Sleep is, don't do anything for half a second. Now you see the difference. If I increase it to 1 second, then what happens? Easy, right, Dhruva?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me try the entire first stanza of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Battery 100%.
Now it is playing slowly. Now to increase the speed, I have to change the beats per minute, which I can do it here. Now if I make it 150, see what happens. Is it fun, Dhruva?
Yes, sir.
Now I will make it slow. How do I make it slow?
You should read it at WSC BPM.
No, I will make it lesser number. I will make it 80.
Okay.
Now you see what happens. Now I will make it still less. Dhruva, you have to mute. There's a bike.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now I will make it 50. See what happens. This is not good, right?
No.
Yeah, 100 might be good. This is also fast. Okay, this is one way. Now if you want to change the synth, you have to use, is it synth? Yeah, use synth. Let's say what happens with D-pulse. So like this you can
This
change.
is nice, sir.
Okay. Yeah, anyway, I will leave it to you. Look at this, how many synths are there? Let me
Okay,
maximize this. There are so many synths are there. It starts with beep, blade, okay, B noise, chip bass, chip lead, chip noise, like this. It goes on and on. Okay, you can try all of them and see which one you like and which one it
Okay, sir.
helps. Okay, now is there anybody has any doubt in piano, or should we move on to Python?
We'll do Python.
Okay, what do you want to do? Should we do graphics? Should we learn how to draw squares, rectangles, lines, colors?
We'll write shapes.
Yeah, shapes will do. Give me a second. I will bring up my Raspberry Pi.
Today we can discuss. Sir, today we can discuss about Python.
Yeah, my Raspberry Pi is booting up. Give me a second. Then in Raspberry Pi by default we have some sample programs. We will see what samples are there. Ananya, do you have your Raspberry Pi connected, and is it no, anyway you cannot share. Hold on. Yeah, let me share my screen. So are you able to see my screen? This is Raspberry Pi.
Yes, sir.
There are a lot of laser lights going on the top of the tower. Okay, now let me bring up Python in this. Okay, Tony Python. Okay, let me load. Musical box, it will be there. My home. Let me just find out where are they.
Sir, I actually have a code for how to print letters on the terminal.
Yeah, just give me a second. By default, Raspberry Pi also gives a lot of sample codes. I wanted to show you that.
Sir, I want to show you a website, sir.
What does that website do?
That website teaches us Python and Scratch both.
Oh, wonderful. Then why not you share it? In the meantime, I will search.
I'm sharing it, sir.
Yeah, just give me a second. Let me remove my sharing.
Sir, this is the website called
Wait.
Coding for Kids Tanker, sir.
Hold
So,
on.
how
Hold
to
on.
this-
Hold on. Show from the beginning.
I'm showing from the beginning. So this is the tanker dashboard from tanker, sir.
Hmm.
So you should press create a project over there, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
When you press it, if for searching Python, it's hard, no, sir. So search. We'll go and press Python.
Hmm.
And here, Python project blank Python is over here, no, sir.
Yeah.
You can press it. You can press one of them.
Hmm.
Now it's loading.
Okay.
When you do like this, it will come like this. If you want to change them, settings will be over here, and over here, when star will come.
Wow.
you
But hold on, let's understand what is it done. Okay, it is doing turtle, spiral is equal to turtle, import turtle. Okay, you are importing library called turtle. Yeah, can anybody explain Ananya Sri? How is it doing this star?
This is that star is doing. I am not doing it. To little bit, it will be doing the star.
Yeah, wait. Anybody can Nitish or Ananya, would you like to take a guess?
We can do that.
Kiran uncle, I couldn't hear you the whole time. Do you mind repeating, please?
Yeah. Can you explain this code? What Dhruv is shared? How is it drawing star here? Ananya, are you able to hear me?
I'm not really sure, but maybe the blue stands for the color, where he says pen color
No, let's
blue.
go line by line. There is import turtle. That means turtle is a library function. Basically, that is doing all this writing
Yeah.
lines, everything, right?
Yeah.
Instead of from first
Even
principles.
for the turtle race project that we did, we
Hmm.
imported turtle, I remember.
Yeah. Anyway, we will also figure out how turtle is doing.
The next is, I don't know what spiral stands for and what it's doing.
Okay.
Sir,
Hold on.
over here is spiral variable.
What is that?
Sir, what is spiral? Is it
Spiral is
a
one of the
variable
functions.
or what?
Yeah, it is a variable where they are initializing it to one of the function of turtle. It's called turtle. So whenever you call spiral, it's in fact it will be calling the library function turtle. Then turtle, it has attribute called pen color, which they are changing it to blue. Then for I in the range, that means they are looping it 40 times. Okay, since they are not initializing.
Change this blue to green. Blue is written over here. If we change this to green,
Wait, let's understand. Yeah, it will change it to green. Yeah, you can change it and run. Hold on. Spiral right, spiral forward, I star 10. Okay, hold on. So spiral forward, then spiral right. I think each. Okay, I don't know. I have not used it, so yeah, I can explore and let you know. So now it is doing it
Kiran
in,
uncle,
Yeah.
what is the I, what the symbol I can see between the I and 10 and the brackets in the second line under the loop?
Second line is spiral dot forward. Forward.
Yeah.
Then I star 10. It is multiplying it
Yeah,
by
what is
10.
that?
It's multiplying it by 10.
Okay. But
So-
what is that doing over here? Why
Yeah,
in drawing this
since
down?
we don't know what is spiral, turtle doing, once we understand what turtle does, then we can. Anyway, once you search the documentation for
Oh.
turtle, you will understand.
Yeah.
So, anyway.
I'll try this out.
Yeah, but it's very cool. They are doing very nice geometrical shape using Python. So Dhruva is freaking out with colors. Yeah, thanks Dhruva. Is there any other program in this? You will explore how to do this. Dhruva, you can stop this code and can you show us some other interesting project? Dhruva, you are muted. You have to unmute.
I have done so many Scratch projects in this website.
Okay, show one of the interesting ones.
Accurate 100%.
I have done so many website that I'll show you.
Show just one of them in the interest of time.
Okay. Will I show this?
Yes.
It's loading. See, sir, we should press on start and press set, rotation style left and right, and forever still here. Animate, walk, move 10 pickles. If on edge bounce, wait 5 seconds. Now for the blue monster, this is the first actor. And for the butterfly, you should not do anything and the background should be like this. Now how to start this monster? I'm going to show you. See sir, how is it sir? Sir?
Yeah, it's very nice. So it's going up and down, is it?
Yes sir, and the butterfly is over here.
But butterfly is not flying. Can you make the butterfly also move?
I don't know how to make the butterfly move, but I know how to move this monster.
No, wait, it's easy. Can one of you guide how to make the butterfly move to Dhruva? Nitish, can you help?
Sir, by
Dhruva?
next question.
Yeah, guide him step by step. Where is the code for the actor, the monster? Just
There is no code, you should just press this one and he will be just walking.
no. Select actor. Select that monster.
If you want to select the actor, the button name add actor and message join tool or chapter builder. There's so many we should press there and so many monsters get will come actors. So we can choose anyone like this monster, this kid. We choose this kid. When we choose this kid, we can edit this kid first. See now for the kid's head. What we do for the kid's head? We can keep this kid or that kid. Now this kid is like this. We can keep his head like this. If we want, we can keep his head like this. If we want, we can keep his head like this. Like this. This and all we can do. Now he's like this and eye. His eye can be like this. Or it's like this. Or it's like this. So many types of eye and mouth. His mouth can be like this. His mouth can be like this. We can keep like this. No, this is not like this. His hair can be like this. His hair can be like this. This is nice now. Sir?
Yeah, it's nice, but it is not allowing you to make interactive. How do you make it action? Let's get into coding. Shape is okay. Click save and go ahead.
Put the task save and he will come over here. And when we bring this man over here, 1 minute, I am taking my mouse. 1 minute.
Sir, so like there is no costumes available like a scratch here, sir.
But there might be, but he has not explored it yet. But let's see how he is able to move it. But there is something called code. I'm sure you should be able to do something.
If we do not find so much blocks now, sir, it will be difficult to find so much blocks now, sir. What I will do is easy. Just go to the actor. Go. Just go to the actor. Now go to the actor. When we go to the actor now, sir, we can just this. All of this. and put to the answer number 1. And we can just press this and put to the answer number 1. When we go to the answer number 1 now, we can change his name also if we want. Like we'll put his name as Dhruva. Okay. We put his name as Dhruva. Now we can put the on start over here. Now I'll make this and I'll make this now. And now he will also walk. See, sir.
Okay.
Kiran uncle, is that scratch or I was actually seeing what this Tinker thingy is? So it's a programming language by itself. Was that scratch what you were doing or?
In this Scratch and Python are there.
Yeah, they are leveraging Scratch in the behind. Okay. Anyway, Dhruva, we will explore more and come back how closely because it related to Scratch. Okay. So now let's start learning graphics in Python. Now I will share my screen. Dhruva.
Okay, sir. I'll stop sharing my screen. You also try Anchor, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, now let me share our favorite W3 schools again.
Even I also like W3 schools. I'm not saying I don't like.
That's good. Why do you like W3 schools?
Because it also teaches us Python so much.
Yeah. Okay. So we are going to use another library called Matplotlib. Okay. So Matplotlib is a low-level graph plotting library in Python that serves as a visualization utility. Okay. So we can use it for a lot of interesting stuff to draw lines, shapes, a lot of things, and it's open source and we can use it freely. Okay. So here is the gentleman who created Matplotlib. Okay. Now let's look at how they so this needs the native Python compiler on your machine. Ananya, you are using the command line version, right, of Python?
I'm using PyCharm.
Okay. Yeah, so PyCharm and all, you might not be able to get this interface. What I recommend is, let me just show where is this. Let me share it once again. Let me go back to Raspberry Pi to show what I mean. Or before that, here is the native. If those of you are using laptop, you can install Python from this python.org. Okay, if you go to download, and this is the original version of Python, please download only from here, python.org, https. Okay, https://www.python.org/downloads. So if you are using Mac or Windows, download from here. Now I am going to show if you are using Raspberry Pi, how do you do it. Let me share Raspberry Pi. Okay, this is my Raspberry Pi. So this is the command line. So here, is it visible? Is it readable? Is it too small fonts?
Slightly small. Yeah.
But let me see if I can zoom it. No, I cannot zoom it. But are you able to read, Ronnie?
A little bit.
For example, if I just type
Pi at the rate Raspberry Pi,
oh,
and then
okay,
the dollar or S or something.
yeah, dollar. So if I just type Python, so it opens up Python 2.7. Okay, if I go out, and I recommend you to use Python 3. Okay, to get into Python you have to just type Python 3. So it will open, you can see the version here, Python 3.7.3. okay. So whenever now let me go back to here itself. I will go to W3 School, so that I need not to keep switching the windows. So this I am using Raspberry Pi, and I am sharing Raspberry Pi screen through VNC. That's how you are able to see what's happening on Raspberry Pi. Now I will directly go to w3schools.org. I can also give HTTPS. Okay, here I went by matplotlib. Okay, so first you have to import this library called matplotlib into your machine. So if I just copy this and paste on my command line, and it will run. It will now install matplotlib on my Raspberry Pi. Let's see how it goes. So it's installing 99%. Once it is over, we will get the message. Matplotlib can also be used even in computer vision as well. We normally use either OpenCV or Matplotlib. OpenCV stands for Open Computer Vision. Even you can display pictures, everything using Matplotlib. It comes very handy when you are handling pictures in the program. So whatever is required, it will run in the background. You need not have to worry about the details. So they have made it very easy for us to install any of these libraries. It runs seamlessly. While it's happening, anybody else has any question? The newcomers, you are sitting quiet. Can you ask any question? Because otherwise I will assume your understanding and I will move on.
Kiran? I was just trying this on Google Colab also, so it's quite easy actually. Even Matplotlib and all, like directly you can just
Can you
Google
just
Colab.
share your screen? So in the meantime, while it's installing, otherwise you will be staring at this installation, which is not fun.
Just 1 second.
Let me just stop sharing mine. Yeah, you can.
Just 1
share
second.
Kiran. No problem. Take your time. So now the installation is happening in the background. You do not have to worry. Once it gets done, I will let you know. In the meantime, let's. Good to see Aditi has finished her puja.
Can you see, Kiran?
It's coming up. Yes.
Okay, so it's basically, I just start off again with the Google Colab.
Hold on. Tell what is Google Colab. This is the first time I'm also hearing.
I think I told you about it before. It's
No,
Colab.
not me. But students should know, no?
Okay. It's an online code editor by Google. So they've made it very competitive. I mean, like they provide you with all the resources and all from the back end. If you want to run like Python programs and all that, it has a different concept of notebooks and all, like Jupyter notebooks, but you don't have to worry about that. It's just think of it as Google Colab, where you can run all your Python programs without having to install any of them. Okay, you can just go and type Google Colab. It takes you there. Okay, say you want, and then you go to say file, new notebook. Is that slow enough, everyone? You say new notebook, and you can directly start writing your code here. Now, like the way Kiran was saying, Math W3 schools, right? From W3 schools, yeah, matplotlib, yeah, matplotlib. So you can just go in here, all these commands. So I'll go into probably the next step of it. Like here you have this, right? You can just take this, copy it, paste it into one line of it, and run it. And then you can see it executing. Once this thing stops, then you know that it has done. All right, so that your first variable initialization thing has done. Okay, then you want another line of code. You just say, yeah, plus it's either a code or either text that you want to write. This is like a comment that you want to write anything. And if you want a code to be executed, you just say plus code. So then you go to the next line of code that you want, like say this. Now, since I've already written this piece of code, I'm going to write all these. Okay, I'll just put this here and I'm make it execute this one. And then you have your results also being displayed here itself.
1 second. Can you execute the same thing on W3 schools so that they will not get confused, or they can?
Yeah, should I?
Yeah. Hold on. Now, since they know this interface very well, now let's understand this. So you are doing import sys. Sys is another library which you are importing. Matplotlib, all of you are aware. Matplotlib, basically there is a library function. You are telling it to use AGG, maybe aggregate function or something.
Yeah.
It is using. Then import pyplot, again another library for plotting. Then you are import numpy. Numpy is used to handle the arrays, the numbers. Okay. Then you are giving the coordinates. X point, X and Y. You are giving 0, 6. It is like plotting in any graph sheet. From can you point the 0.6? Move your cursor to 0.6. No, not on the graph.
X and Y axis.
That is 0. Yeah, 6 is the starting point. So then it goes up to 250. Again, X is at 0. Y goes up to 250. That's why the 6 to 250. This way you are getting a straight line. Now, as soon as you, so the plt.plot, it's plotting X to Y. So you gave the X coordinates and Y coordinates, and then once you do show, for example, comment out a show. and execute. Hash, give hash at the beginning. Yeah, just run it again. How is it running?
Good question.
Hold on. Comment out the plot also, plt.plot. Yeah. So now this is a perfectly valid code. You just initialize the variable and you did not plot it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's just uncomment only the first plt.plot, not the show part. So comment out the last two also. Save flush and buffer. Yeah, run it. Okay. So anyway, now there's nothing else, nothing to do, because you did not tell the operating system what to do with that. You just played around with the variables. That's it. Nothing happened. Okay. That's why you're not seeing anything.
Yeah.
Now bring the last two statements back.
I think this alone should work. Or
Yeah.
I think
That's. I think this is drawing the x and y.
std buffer out. Yeah, std out dot buffer. So probably this is what puts it.
Yeah. Now let's see what is this show doing. Why not we change x and y, just hard code for now. No, or you just copy paste and change the value. I want to give after the plot. Yeah, take the both x and y, both lines. You take it, copy and bring it after plot. Next line. Yeah, initialize again. Change the variables now.
To what do you want it to?
I want to draw one more line. I want to see what is this show doing. Yeah, just change it. Yeah, change the x. Just change only the x. That's okay. It will draw parallel line. Now you just run this. I think the plot, one more plot you have to do after changing. Yeah, the plot one more you have to do. Yeah, should do it. Yeah.
Okay.
So can anybody explain what happened now? Chirantan, are you understanding? You can unmute. Chirantan, are you there?
Sir, I can't listen because of the internet disturbance.
But now you can hear, right?
Yes, sir. No.
Now, are you able to understand what happened on what is being shown on the screen? Okay, no problem if there is internet issue. Ananya, can you explain what happened on this is very easy to follow compared to the other one. Or Aditi or Sri? Sri, are you able to understand this Python, how to draw graph? Nitish Johar. Nitish, are you there? Duty, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
So, did you listen? When did you join?
Sir, I just joined 10 minutes back.
Okay. So this is a very simple program to draw lines in Python.
Okay.
So this is how in Python you need not have to worry about these import statements. Imports is import, just copy paste. Okay, the up to basically this import, the first 5 lines you need not have to worry for now. You just copy paste for now. Now only here x and y you are specifying. This first set of points is for drawing this blue line.
Okay.
From 0, 6 to 0, 250. You can see the value 0 to 250 on the y axis, 0 to 6 on the x axis.
Okay.
Then you are plotting that blue line. Then you are changing the variables. Again, you are specifying 1 to 6 and 1 to 250.
Okay.
Okay. So you are drawing the orange line. And later you are actually releasing the memory. This std.flush, whatever memory you have taken to plot it, it gets released. Okay. So like this, using this, earlier Dhruva Agastya showed us using another library, which in turn in the basic inside it will use this basic function and it will draw a star. Now the homework for all of you who understood this code, we will share this code also, to draw a triangle. Now that you know how to draw a straight line, okay, then you should be able to draw a triangle and a rectangle. Is it easy? Chetna V, are you there? Vikram Bharadwaj, did you understood?
Sir, how do color are changing in the both lines?
It as of now it is changing randomly. I am sure you should be able to change it what you want, what color. I am sure there is one library function of matplotlib. If you do Google, you will find it. You want me to find out, or will you find it? Yeah, just do Google for how to change color in matplotlib. It will tell you. Okay, so you should be able to change it.
Okay.
So Aditi, you are in which standard now? 4th or 5th? Second standard, is it? Why do you want to learn Python programming so early? I am just curious. Why do you want to learn? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Let's do some interesting stuff to make it fun. Okay. So, anybody else has any question? How to do the simple lines and shapes? Using this logic, how do we create a shape? Anybody would like to take a guess? Today we just saw how to draw a line.
For that, if we can do 0 to 10, then 10 to we have to put number up also. Like 0 to 250, then 252, whichever number will come here in the.
Which shape you will get if you do that?
Not sure.
Yeah, which shape you like? Do you like a star? Do you like rectangle? Do you like circle?
First I can do it square, then I can go to star.
Wonderful. Do you know how to get the coordinates of a square?
No.
What is a square?
What?
What is a square?
Four-sided quadrilateral.
What is a square shape? What do you call it as a square?
More than 4 sides.
which has 4 sides. What is the difference between square and a rectangle?
Rectangle have 3 corners and square have 4 corners.
No,
All the
triangle.
sides are equal. All
Triangle.
the lengths are also equal.
Yes, that is square. Triangle has 3 sides. The Aditi.
Yeah.
Square and rectangle both have 4 sides. In square, all sides are equal, like how what Chirantan said.
Equal, they have equal corners and equal sides.
Yes, yes, yes. So, Ronnie, by any chance, do you have a coordinates for a square? Or you are trying a square, or?
I'm trying a square.
But I see 1 1 1 1 everywhere. Then you will get a triangle only.
Yeah, so this one, man, I'm bad at this.
No, let's figure out. Let's start one by one. Okay.
Okay,
Now
so I've done this is the
let's start
line.
with 0 0. Don't worry. Let's start with 0 0. Forget about this. 0 6 now. The first point we will figure it out. Okay. First it has to be 0 0. We'll start. And
Let me start here.
you're starting, but we'll start from the top, no?
Okay, should I remove all those?
No, we'll edit it. First is 0 0. We'll start with 0 comma 0. Let it go up to 0 up now, not 250. That's also fine. 250. Yeah, this will give us a straight line, right? No.
Yeah, 0 from 0 to 0 to say 100 or 150, the x-axis, right?
X points and Y points. No, let it go to 250 only. No, there is no 250, right? X we have only 0 to 6. Let it go to 5. 0 to 5.
Okay.
0 to
No,
5.
so this was the one. This line was drawn via 1 comma 1.
No. Anyway, let's also understand. X means you are just trying to write a horizontal line. So 0.5 will give you a horizontal line.
Okay.
Oh, you are getting vertical line, is it? So
Yeah.
why instead of 0 to 250? That's why you are getting. Well, do one thing. Let's not. Why? X points, for example. Yeah, remove all the points. It's confusing. No, keep the plot on. Now just do 0.5 and second one could be 250 to 250 only. Yeah, just put both 250 250. Then what happens? We cracked it. Got it?
I think so. Yeah, from 0 to 5, 250. Okay, it starts off at 250. Yeah, got it.
Now if you do 1 to 1, and now copy the coordinates below the plot.
Oh, yeah, I need to copy the plot also, right?
Yeah. Now instead of 0 to 5, let's make it to 1 to 5. Now we need.
I still didn't get it. 0 to 5. Okay.
Now we'll figure out what it does.
Okay. Now I just 0 to 5, 250 to 250. So now I
240 to
say
240.
I want a parallel line to it.
240
I can
240, no?
200 to 200
No.
and say
Yeah.
again a 1 to 5, 1 to 5. Well,
No, you can give 0 to 5 only.
yeah. 0 to 5.
Yeah. Yeah, got it. Now let's ensure everybody understands it. Aditi, can you explain what happened? Or anybody who has good internet connection, can you speak out?
Even my sister is there. She even asked her.
Can anybody explain how did we get these two parallel lines, one orange and one blue? Is it Aditi or Sri?
We both are there.
Yeah, can you explain? Yeah, Ronnie, just point your cursor. Your first point is 0 to 5. 0 to 5 is just show where is 0 and where is 5.
0 to 5 is.
Yeah, that is 0, and then 5 is, it's on x-axis only, no?
Okay, fine.
So
0 is here. This is 5 on the x-axis.
And 250 is there, and on the top 250.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is 0 to 5 again, but at the line 250. So these are the set of points. This to this.
Yeah. So now if you want to connect these 2 points on the left side of the square, that means x has to remain at 0, 0. Y will go from 200 to 250, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, put that. Wonderful. Yeah, let's finish the third one. Let's ask somebody to give us the coordinates for the third one. Can anybody?
50.
What is that? What is this particular x-axis points? These
No,
two?
she is telling for the fourth line.
Yeah.
Yeah, Aditi.
It can be 5 to 250.
Yes, 5, 5 should be the x, and this should be what? This should be 200 to
250.
that's, yeah, I think that can remain the same.
Yep.
Wonderful.
Now, how do you draw an x from here to here?
Now we know all the coordinates. Can you tell us how do you draw the diagonals or the x connecting the corners?
0 to 5. 0, 5.
And
No,
the other
x will vary. No. It cannot be 0 to
250.
No, x will vary from
Yeah, this is
0.
correct, okay, right?
That is, yeah, that's true. Yeah,
250 to 200.
yeah. 200 to 250 is right. That's okay. Yeah,
Yep.
wonderful.
What about from here? What about from here to here?
to 5 or 5 to 250.
No, what are the x coordinates? This particular thing.
5 to 0.
Will it weigh? Is there any difference 5 to 0 or 0 to 5? There is no difference, right? Because it draws in milliseconds, we won't even know. After it draws, we don't know whether it drew from left to right or right to left. Yeah, it does not matter. 0 to 5 is okay.
I'll
Only-
keep it at 5 to 0 also for every
This one only will change from.
anyone. This one is also 200 to 250 only, right?
No, it will be reverse, no? 250 to 200.
250, 200.
What if you do 200 to 250?
Yeah, let's try both. My vote is for 250 to 200.
See?
Change to 250 to 200. Let's see what happens.
So my vote also works, Kiran. The way you're plotting it.
We are having fun. You are right.
250 to 200 didn't work.
Yeah.
Why?
Make it 0, 5. Yeah, I got it. Now, actually, it is fooling us. We are used to all our life we have learnt x coordinates is x comma y, but this, look at it. It is actually we are filling a matrix. It is actually plotting 0, 250 to 5, 200. Got it?
Yeah.
So when you reverse
So
it,
it's xy, xy.
xy. It is first point in first array, first point in first array, second point in first array, second point in second array. That's how it is taken. This is not very intuitive.
I'm not understanding how a slanting lines been drawn.
Slanting, yeah. Ronnie, would you like to explain why it is
No,
slanting?
Kiran, I think you should try.
Yeah, slant is because look at the y coordinates. Do you know where is y 200 and where is y 250? Just move the cursor, Ronnie. Point to the 200. That is the y 200 starting point. Y 250 is there on the top. Yeah, take the cursor to the top. No, 250 on y axis only. Not. Okay. So y is always vertical, right? X is always horizontal. So why it slanted was, it's actually technically it is the starting point 0, 250. 0, 250 is the top point. Just
I think there are too many confusing things. Let me.
no. Let's do one by one.
Yeah, I'll remove all this.
Huh.
There is no comment.
No, it's okay. Put it in some notepad or something. No, otherwise they will get confused. They are not used to this hash. Put it in some notepad or somewhere so that you can copy paste again. Okay. Yeah, Sri, can you just see these coordinates now? We have given the x coordinates as 0, 5. X will change from 0, 5. Actually, it is writing the first coordinate. It starts from the left top. That is 0, 250 is that coordinate. X, y. That normal graph what you have learned. The actual coordinates are 0, 250. But the way we are feeding it to matplotlib is different. And the second point which we have drawn is 5, 200. So that you can do easily, right? If I give you the coordinates 0, 250 is the first point. The second point is 5, 200 is the second point. Then you will understand easily, right? Hold on. Now I will get this on my one second, Ronnie, I will share.
Sure.
I will take it in my file. Just give me a second.
I have done a project in Scratch. Shall I show, sir?
Wait. Let me finish this. Then you can
Yes,
show.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
So it's Vikram Bharadwaj, is it? Who is this?
No, sir, Manasvi.
Okay, Manasvi. Just give me a second. Yeah, Ronnie, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
I had done the screenshot of yours, so it's exactly same, right?
Okay. Do you want me to give you the code?
No, I have the code. No, I wanted to plot, show them
Okay.
what is what. For example, this is nothing but 0, 250. I want them to reason out why. Let me change the color.
It's like your x1, y1, x2, y2.
Now are you able to see? I have plotted that 0, 250.
Hmm.
Aditi,
You probably can put x and y, the x1, y1. I think that's the way I think in school they teach us.
x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 250. Aditi, did you get it now? Shri?
Yes, sir. So here the x value is 0 and the y value is 250, right?
Now you have to tell me what is here. Can you tell me what is here? I will change the color so that it's very visible. Tell me what this should be. The second point should be. What is x here?
5
Huh?
and y will be 200.
Wonderful.
x2, y2.
So simple, right?
Yes. Okay. So sir, when we write this code, we should write like x2 and all.
No. The code is this only. We cannot change the code. I just for you to understand, I did this. Yeah, now that is one challenge. You have to unlearn and learn new things. Right? Initially, it might be a bit confusing, but once you understood how this behaves, then it's easy. Right? Actually, what is happening is, let me give you, type one more. Here, technically, we gave this array. We just gave this 0.5. Technically, what we meant was x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 5. This is what we meant in this line. Okay. Yeah. Now here what we did, y1 is equal to 250 and y2 is equal to 200. Now this complies to what you have learned, right, in your graph. Got it, Shri?
Yes, sir. I think so. When I try it, I'll understand it more clearly.
Yeah. No, but anyway, this is how it is working logically. So this in line with what we have learned till now. Anybody else has any question? Looks like everybody understood. Dyuti, did you understood?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how to draw graph?
No, sir. This was the first time I saw it.
Okay. Anyway, I think for primary school it's still too early. I think they cover it only in high school. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, this is fun. Don't worry about graph for now. You can learn it as if it is some how to draw lines and shapes and colors, and so it will be fun.
Sir, on which website you use the graph?
This is W3 schools only, no?
Sir, can I show my presentation on of Scratch?
Was that you or was that Vikram earlier?
Sir, it was me first. I asked Manasvi.
Manasvi. Manasvi, you can go now.
Sir, from a long
Sir,
time I
you
was
need
not
to
there.
make-
Down I had to go to puja.
Okay.
Sir, you need to make me as presenter.
1 second, Manasvi. I will do it. Yes, Manasvi, you are presenter now.
Yes, sir. Shall I share?
Yeah. What does it do? Can you explain?
Sir, it is a birthday party.
Hmm.
Sir, she invites her friends to a party. Her parents give her some gift.
Hmm.
It is like a story
Oh, wonderful.
how she celebrated her birthday party.
Yeah, if you share it, all of us also can see the code.
Sir, first shall I show the code?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So this is for princess.
Hmm. Very long code. How long it took?
Sir, I think 2 days.
Mm-hmm.
Princess, table,
Okay.
Abby.
Wow, there are so many sprites you have used.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, now play it.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, welcome to my birthday party. Hi Abby, hi Danny, how are you both? I hope you're fine. I'm really excited for the birthday party. And did you know that my parents are going to give a great grand surprise after the end of the birthday party? I don't know what it is yet. Hi ladies, many more happy returns of the day. Thank you Abby.
Hi Ruby, happy birthday.
Thank you Dad.
Wish something and blow the candle.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you, Daddy. I had a great time, Paul. Thanks for coming.
Me too. Me also.
Okay, it's already late. Bye.
Had a great time with you. One or many more happy returns of the day.
Thank you. Bye.
Did you enjoy your birthday party, honey?
Yes, Mom, I enjoyed the birthday party. And Mom, what about the surprise that you and Dad are going to give?
Yes, dear. Let's go.
Okay, Dad. Oh my God, we are here at the beach. I always used to come here. It's so beautiful. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
It's okay, dear. Happy birthday.
We are glad you like our gift.
Happy birthday, honey.
Thank you so very much. This is the best birthday I had. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Excellent. You recorded your voice also, is it?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So, you did it on
yeah.
laptop or use external mic or?
Sir, I did it on laptop.
Oh, okay. So, it was easy, is it? Recording your voice and all?
Yes, sir, it was easy.
Wonderful.
Sir, and I had a doubt in this. But when they were Abby and Danny were wishing her, they had to clap, no, sir. So that how can we make them clap?
Yeah, you have to create basically with their hands up. Costumes you have to create.
Sir, should we draw?
Yeah, you can draw.
Sir, is there any other option than drawing in digitally? For example, we can draw it on paper and input it.
Yeah, you can do that, or you can take your picture. You can take your picture with your clapping and with your hands down, and
Yeah, sir.
so you can take as many pictures as you want, right? That's the advantage. Then it will
Yes,
look like a movie only.
Yeah.
Another thing is, whenever there's somebody is talking, you can give either subtitle or you can give a bubble as if they are talking, so that
Yes,
people
sir.
can see it also.
Yeah.
So then it will be convenient, and you can add some dynamic thing. Otherwise, what will happen for quite some time? They are not moving, right? Either they can move,
Yeah.
or you can bring some what is that?
Movement.
Cracker or balloons. You can bring those balloons bursting. All those things you can in birthday we do normally, right?
Yes, sir.
So all those things will make it lively. And you
Yes,
can
sir.
also play nice tune, background tune.
Music.
Music, or happy birthday, or twinkle twinkle, or you know how to play continuously.
I didn't understand.
That means while this is happening, the music should also keep going. It should not be sequential.
No, sir. I don't know.
We will do right away. Just open the code. I will show you.
Maybe for forever block.
No, I will show you. Open the code.
Yeah.
Anybody has any question? She has used message passing, then she has used changing text to speech.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, which is your first sprite? When as soon as you click green flag, which one gets executed first? Is it in the
Sir,
princess?
first princess. Yes.
Yeah, click. Show me the princess code.
Yep.
Yeah, here you put one more block when when green flag is clicked.
Yes, sir.
No, get event. You go to events and get
Events?
that. Get the green flag is clicked when the green first one.
Yes, it is there already.
No, take one more.
Again.
Put it to the right side. I am going to write one more code. Here. Now click on sounds.
Yes, sir.
Now click on sounds. We'll introduce one nice background sound. Now click on add from the library. Go to the
Choose
library.
the sound.
Choose the sound.
Yeah.
Go to some loops.
Loops.
On the top you are seeing loops, no? Top. Animals,
Yeah.
effects, loops. Go to loops.
Yes, sir.
Choose one of them. Any one of them.
Yes, sir.
What is it called?
Classical piano.
Just play. Yeah, this is good. Now go back to your costume. Go back to your code. Code. Now
Yes, sir.
click on sound. Yeah, it's already there. Classical piano. Now classical piano until done. First one, you drag it and leave it below that the one green flag. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you can put this under forever loop. Go to control and put on forever. Click on control. Get the forever loop.
Yeah.
Get the forever loop.
Yes, sir.
This is good. Now you play.
Hello everyone, welcome to my birthday party. Hi Abby, hi Danny, how are you?
Right? Stop it.
Yes, sir.
Now the volume is high. No, but volume is high. It is irritating, right?
Yes,
We are not
sir.
able to
We
hear.
can soften it.
Now go back to sounds. Where is the piano?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
Don't, now here itself you can soften it.
Soft.
Some more. No, you have to select. Some more. Soften some more.
Yes, sir.
Got it right?
Yeah.
So this is how you can introduce parallel tracks.
Yes, sir.
Go back to code. That means as soon as you press green flag, both will happen parallelly.
Yes, sir.
Now if you are like this, you can keep introducing as many parallel events as you want. For example, you want something to be keep moving left and right, some balloon will keep going left and right, that also you can do it.
Yes, sir.
So then it whole scene looks like a movie.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
That will be very interesting, right?
Yes, sir. It will be very interesting.
Then you can make this your friends who are standing next to you dance also.
Yeah. How?
Just
How can
click
we
on
make that?
introduce a ballerina and get one more sprite called ballerina.
Yes, sir. I have done this. Already in my one more project, I have done ballerina to make her dance.
Yeah, the same way. So anyway, if you know, you can do it later. That's okay.
Yeah.
Right? Then, but ballerina can continue to dance irrespective of what these people are doing.
Yes, sir.
So maybe ballerina might not be a good thing. You can bring some butterfly. That's better. Yeah, get a butterfly. That's better. Get a butterfly. Butterfly can keep flying back and forth. It will be in animals.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah, get as many butterflies you want. Anyway, I'll show you one.
This one.
Doesn't matter. Yeah, get one of them. That's okay. Just get it. Okay, put it to some corner. Make the size bit small.
Maybe 7. Yes, sir.
Now, yeah, put the code so that it will move ahead and next costume and all those things.
Yeah.
Do it.
It should move.
Yeah, move. It should keep flying, no? So you have to move.
Yes, sir.
It will be in motion.
So 1 second.
Then that's okay. 10 doesn't matter. Then you have to also give bounce and all. If on edge bounce so that it comes back.
It will be in motion.
Yeah. Then set rotation style also. Set rotation style also. The one below. Set rotation style.
This.
That one. Yeah. This should do the trick. Yeah. Play it.
Hello everyone, welcome to my birthday party. Hi Abby, hi Danny, how are you both?
Yeah.
It's too fast.
I'm really excited.
It's too fast. It's moving its wing too
No,
fast.
that's okay. Now you change the direction. As of now, it is moving horizontally. If you just change the direction once, then it will keep moving randomly.
Yes, sir. How can we change the direction?
Turn 15 degree. Pull that, no? Yeah, that's instead of 15, make it maybe 5 degree. Yeah, now you play.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can keep introducing. You can clone, and then more and more will start appearing. So anyway, I will leave it to your imagination.
Yes, sir.
You can also get some twinkling stars. Do whatever you want, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will be more fun. Then whenever they burst any crackers, etc., which they will do, right, in the functions, when they twist that tube and make it boom sound. So all those things you
or
can.
like confetti, it comes out.
So all those things you can do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's fun, right?
I wanted to show another one.
Quickly,
Yes.
I'm feeling hungry.
Yes, sir.
After this, Chirantan you can show.
So this, I did it today
Hmm.
about Dasra.
Mm-hmm.
Shall I play?
Hmm.
Of Dasara is when Lord Rama killed Ravana.
Yeah, this is good, but this is just pause it for a while.
Lord Rama's. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is good, but again, as you said, the same comments holds good here also. It will be boring after a while just to listen to the commentary and the pictures changing. You
Yeah.
have to bring in some action, right?
Yes, sir.
You can even make the arrow move, do something.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you want to know do simple graphics editing, you can use the app Photopea.
Sir, can you repeat?
Photopea, 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 PEA.
PHOTOPEA.
Yeah, type on the URL on your browser.
Yeah.
Go to the browser, no, where was scratch.mit.edu. Go to the top, browser, the URL, address bar. Now on the top, where, there. Just type Photopea. Remove that.
Sir, sure. 1 second, sir.
Photopea. PEA. PEA, not I. PEA. That's it. Press enter. Yeah, go there.
Yeah, online editor.
Yeah. Close that. Yeah. Anyway, you will figure out. If you don't know, you can
Sir,
just.
what is this for?
This you can edit your photos. For example, you don't want arrow or you want arrow to move forward. You can create your own costumes.
Oh, yes.
Okay, a lot of things you can do. You can clone, you can change the color. It is fun once you start learning.
Yes,
There are a lot of YouTube videos how to edit using Photopea. You learn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Chirantan, over to you.
Shall I stop sharing?
Yes, please. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Chirantan, over to you. Chirantan, are you there? Or Vikram, would you like to show anything?
So I made a Scratch project on online classes videos, animated videos.
Yeah, go ahead. So you did this on Scratch Junior, is it?
It's
Yeah, this is good. You can also add voice.
Sir, I made it in 1 hour. I have no time, so I only type letters.
Take your time. No, what is the hurry? Why you have to be in a hurry? Okay, take your time. add voice also. You can record your voice. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, like this action should be there.
Sir, wait a second, sir. There's a small alteration. So now is right. Sir, finish, sir.
Very good. So,
Sir,
as I said, take your time and add some your voice commentary as well as some background music. Otherwise, it will be same monotonous. Okay.
Sir, I made another one of Kannada subject, but it's not complete. I will share in next class.
Sure, sure, not a problem. Then, can you tell us what did you do with Raspberry Pi?
Sir, the speakers were not working. So in the class, the speakers were not working. So I connected to HDMI of my TV. Sir, today morning. So I have searched. I am exploring in it. No, I didn't make anyone. I will make in next class.
No problem.
Before next class.
Yeah, yeah. Since you cannot share on Raspberry Pi on Microsoft Teams,
Sir, we can share with VNC viewer, but the
VNC viewer, for that then you need a laptop.
Sir, in mobile also we can share to VNC viewer.
Oh, wonderful! Yeah, you can show it next week.
Sir, I shared the last my Raspberry Pi, but you gave me the new Raspberry Pi. I trying to connect it, not connected.
Sure. Yeah, you need to know the IP address.
Sir, I know the IP address and try to connect it, but it's not the. It's showing there is no the port. It's not a correct port. Port.
Yeah. Anyway, I will probably either today evening or tomorrow we can connect and we can do WhatsApp video call and we can help. I will help you out.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Spandana, good afternoon. How are you? Spandana Joshi.
What?
Which class you are in, Spandana?
Fifth.
Fifth, is it?
Yes, sir.
But it says 9A. Who is 9A? Is it your
Sir,
sister?
it's my sister, sir. It's my sister, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
Sinchana.
Sinchana, okay, okay. Sinchana, did you like today's class?
Yes, sir.
Which
Sir,
one did you like?
Coding is very fun.
Which one?
Coding is very fun.
Which coding? Is it Scratch or Python?
Sir, Python is interesting because you can do all types of coding in that.
Yeah. So, are they teaching coding in your school?
No, sir. Sir, they taught when it was not quarantine, but in online class they don't teach.
What did they teach? Are they teaching Python or Java?
They don't teach, sir.
Then?
They don't teach.
Do they teach anything in the computer class?
Sir, they don't take computer class only.
Okay, then is it the first class you are attending on computers?
Sir, I'm on. Sir, it's not first class, it's second class.
When did you attend earlier?
Last week or something.
Okay. So, are you trying out any code on Python?
Sir, I'm doing Scratch. I'm new.
Okay, Scratch. Have you done any Scratch animation?
Sir, I had done the hide and seek one. The hide and seek one in the tips thing, sir, in Scratch, but I forgot to save it.
Okay. Yeah, save it today and show it to us in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Have a nice day and enjoy the festival, Ayuda Puja and Vijayadashami. Okay. Thank you and bye bye. It's already
Happy
1 o'clock.
Dasara, sir.
Happy Dasara to you too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you and bye bye.
Sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, Ronnie. Thanks for joining.
Bye, Kiran. Yeah, happy Dashera and all.
Thank you.
Okay, see you. Bye.
See you. Bye.
Happy Dasara, sir.
You
Bye,
too, Manaswi.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, Dhruva Kumari.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.